So friends, let's see this delicious brinjal and potato bhaji. Now I've taken these long and dark purple brinjals. Just wash them really well and pat them dry. And now I'm just going to cut off the tips and discard that. Next I'm going to cut the brinjal lengthwise into 2 equal halves. And also keep a bowl of water ready. And then I'm going to cut each of these again into half lengthwise. And then I'm going to chop them up into small cubes like this. So we're going to keep the brinjal with the peel. You don't need to peel the brinjal for this recipe. Just cut them into even sized cubes. And then you're going to add all of this to the water. Now we're putting this into the water because we don't want to discolor the brinjals. Because you keep them out like that, they'll turn a little dark in color. Now here I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil and I've drained out all the water from the brinjals. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the brinjal to the oil. And we're going to fry them really well for at least a whole minute till the brinjals soften a bit and darken a bit. Once that's done, we're going to take them out and put them into a bowl. To the remaining oil, I've taken 1 large potato that I've boiled, peeled and cubed, again into small cubes. I'm going to add that and we're going to fry this potato for 1 whole minute as well. Once that is done, we're going to take the potatoes out and add them to the brinjals. And we can just set this aside. Now to the remaining oil, I'm going to add 1 light green chili, 2 cloves of garlic and 1/2 inch of ginger that I've chopped fine. We're going to fry this really well. Now if the oil is a little less, just add a little bit of oil. Now I've added 1 bay leaf. Fry the bay leaf well too. And then I'm going to add about 5 to 6 curry leaves. Saute them too. And then I'm going to add 1 medium onion that I've chopped fine. So fry all of these ingredients really well. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Fry all of this bagar really well. Now I'm going to add the fried potatoes and brinjals to this fodni or this bagar, and we're going to give everything a very good mix. Next I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water and mix everything well again. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of grated jaggery. You can also add sugar in kinds of jaggery or jaggery. And you can also increase the amount if you want it a little on the sweeter side. We're going to saute everything for 1 whole minute so that everything comes together really well. The bay leaf too adds a real nice flavor to this dish, as well as all the lovely spices that we've added. Now I'll leave a link of how I make my garam masala at home in the description box below. And now we're going to cover and cook this for a whole 5 minutes on low flame, stirring in intervals. And now after 5 minutes, you can see that everything has come together really well, and the potatoes and the brinjal have also cooked really nicely. So this is like a semi-dry dish. It's not a complete gravy as well as it's not completely dry, but it's just the perfect consistency. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves chopped fine. Again, give everything a good mix. And at this point, you can turn off the heat. And our lovely dish is all ready. You can also add a dash of lemon juice while serving if you like it a little on the tangy side. So you can enjoy this with some puris or chapatis or some rice and dal. It's really, really delicious. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you like it, then don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Write to me about it. And I'll see you soon in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.